You ready? Hello, my name is Stephen Golis, the preferred contractor for Mr. Naik at 11621 Sequoia Lane, Beltsville, Maryland. Today we're going to be doing a repairability test on these shingles, test the pliability. Right here you can see we have our damaged shingle. We're going to start by removing that damaged shingle, removing all the nails, and putting a new shingle in. Got our old shingle in.
Old shingle out. About to put the new one in. New shingle.
Alright, we have our new shingle in. Now I'm just going to give a light brush on the top, get away the floating granules. Alright, as you can see, we have a lot of granule loss on this shingle, this one, some granule loss on here, up there, this one as well, this one. And all, we damaged 6 processes in the process of repairing 1 shingle. I'd say that this test is a fail. Thank you for your time. I hope this seems well.